Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. All right, day one of owning this property, and did some major cleaning, and it was scary. So this room is the back master bedroom, and I cleaned out a ton of stuff. These are all the bags. I'd say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags, and some, you know, crates full and boxes full, and a couple CRT TVs, minivan seat or something along those lines. Supposedly the last owner wants to get that for some reason. I hope he does. But just clothes galore up in this closet. Those are things that I think might be salvageable, you know, not for me, but, you know, bring to the Goodwill so it doesn't end up in the landfill yet. Wonky water heater, total fire hazard. Rotten floor back there, couple holes right there, and this is just a cardboard paper recycle pile, and this bag's full of plastic recycle, and serious rot here at the door frame, not surprised. And we cleared out the bathroom, magazines galore on the countertop here, and magazines galore in the towel cabinet there, and miscellaneous other things that made 0 sense. But got everything out of here, and this dryer was full of clothes and flip-flops and shoes and cardboard and beer cans, which there's beer cans everywhere in every nook and cranny in this house. Emptied these out. There's a couple things I decided to keep, just some paint rollers, a few chemicals, and yeah, just that's gonna be my scrap metal junk pile down there. And that's just shit. Deck you're not walking on anytime soon. And I just started to come in here in the main room, cleaned off the pool table. Hopefully they're gonna come by tomorrow and grab that. And cleaned off this, but then put some things up here that were on the pool table. TV supposedly he's getting, and this is just miscellaneous things that I might keep. And emptied or drained the sink because it was sitting there full of water. So there we go, day one, it's a wrap.